This is the benefits here of Everyday Fresh Club. Is pharmacists researched and developed, artisan crafted, paraben-free, sulfate-free, award-winning, conditioning, hydrating.
We do have an award.
It's all right there on the back.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Those are SEO highlight words for you. For me, man, it really started out a necessity, the practice of self-care. For myself, me and Theron, we both met at work. We're both doctors of pharmacy. We're both working together in a hospital at the time. It really started, man, out of the need to just kind of do what I could do to control my day. And that practice of self-care, you know, that 15, 20 minutes in the morning.
You know, for me, it was more so me trying to figure my hair thing out. You know, I had a beard, I was having issues with breakage, and you know, technically going to buy like retail products, you get a lot of chemicals, you know, they're mad expensive, you know. So I was kind of inspired looking at the DIY industry, also was trying to transition my hair from just wearing like a one with a fade to like growing my hair and taking care of it. So I was into a lot of natural tutorials, and I realized there was a place where you could like make and produce your own things for yourself. And then the customizability, because I have a very specific skin texture and hair texture that kind of doesn't get addressed over the counter or in retail spaces. And so I started making things to kind of address myself in the same sense, because, you know, we worked together. He also had a beard at the time. I was sharing with him what I was doing. We were exchanging feedback. He told me some great products that he liked. I talked to him about some products I liked. And pretty much from there, that interaction grew into what you see today.
So that's really where it started, was trying to solve a problem for ourselves. Because a lot of things are marketed to us, but they're not really necessarily made for us. And when the time you put it on, you're just dissatisfied. So we just wanted to make something that we could use daily, that we're proud of, and it represented what we wanted.